In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Stripe Publishable Key, secret key. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, find the Developers section and click on it. This will open the Developer Settings area, where Stripe keeps tools related to integrations and API access. After that, select API Keys. This page contains the credentials that are used to connect your application or website with Stripe. On this screen, you will see both your publishable key and your secret key. It is important to understand that these two keys serve different purposes. The publishable key is typically used on the client side, while the secret key must remain private and should only be used in secure server-side environments. First, locate the publishable key section. When you find it, click the copy icon next to the publishable key. This copies the key so you can paste it into your application, plugin, or integration settings where it is needed. Next, move to the secret key section. In many cases, the secret key will be hidden by default for security reasons. To view it, click either Reveal Live Key or Reveal Test Key, depending on which mode you are working with. If Stripe asks you to complete an authentication step, go ahead and do that to continue. This extra verification helps protect your account and prevents unauthorized access to sensitive credentials. Once the secret key is visible, click the copy icon next to it. Then paste that key into the correct secure area of your application's configuration. Make sure you place each key in the correct field so your Stripe integration can work properly. As you do this, be careful with the secret key. Keep it secure and never share it publicly. Do not place it in public code repositories, front-end scripts, screenshots, or any location where other people can access it. The publishable key is meant for public-facing use, but the secret key must always stay protected. After both keys are copied and added to your integration settings, your setup is complete. You can then continue with the rest of your Stripe connection or payment configuration as needed. Thank you for watching. That covers everything you need to know.